How to remove Google account from Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look up an easy method on how we can remove our Google account from any of the Android phone. So let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you just need to follow some steps. So for that, you just need to open your main settings of your device. Just tap on settings. After that, scroll down until you see accounts and backup. Just tap on this option here and you will be able to see an option called manage accounts. Just tap on manage accounts and here you should be able to see all of the accounts that you may have on your device, all of the Google account. Let's say you want to remove one of the Google accounts from here. So what I'm going to just do is tap on the Google account that I want to remove. And when you tap on it, you will be able to see this remove account option. Just tap on remove account and confirm your remove. And just like that, that account will be removed from your Android device. So therefore, by following this method, you can remove your Google account from your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.